Hello students, welcome back to my class, Mr. Rama's English class. Thank you that you still enjoy learning English with Mr. Rama. We are going to conclude all the lessons that we have from the first, the second, the third, and then today is the fourth part of the video. I want to listen carefully to all the instructions I give you from the first part until the end part of the video. I hope you still have that spirit to learn English with Mr. Rama. The Ram's English course. Listen to the following conversations. When you have finished, identify the expressions used by the speaker to get the people's attention. Check if we are understood. Show appreciation to others and tell what we or other people think of something. You listen from picture 1 and 2 from your textbook. You can open your textbook also. Siti, do you understand the story? Not really. She speaks very fast. Picture 2. Do you know what I mean? Yes, sir. You look at your textbook again and then do picture 3 and you repeat after me. The conversation is, only both of us will clean the classroom. What? What do you mean? What about others? Now you listen the conversation on picture 4 and 5 from your textbook. 4. Edo, do you know what to do? Sorry, ma'am, I don't. Say that again, please. Picture 5. Do you understand my question? No, ma'am. Sorry. Say that again, please. Now listen from picture 8 and 9 of your textbook. Listen and then analyze. Your handwriting is clear and beautiful, Edo. Thanks. What do you think of the picture? Benny did it well, didn't he? Yes, he did. It is very beautiful. The last part, picture 12 and 13 from your textbook. You repeat after me. He's a diligent student, don't you think so? Yes, he is. He is diligent and smart too. Picture 13. Great. I think that is a beautiful invitation card. I like it. Thank you. Now, analyze all the conversations from your textbook on page 13 to 17 by filling the table below. Sekarang, analisa semua conversations dari textbook kamu pada halaman 13 sampai 17 dengan mengisi tabel berikut ini. Contoh yang saya berikan from conversation 1, type of expressions atau jenis expressionsnya adalah to check if we are understood. Expression yang digunakan, expression used by the speaker is Siti, do you understand the story? Pada conversation 2, type of expressionsnya adalah to check if we are understood. Expressions yang digunakan, do you know what I mean? Lakukan hal yang sama pada semua conversation pada textbook kamu halaman 13 sampai 17. Bagaimana? Sudah diikutin activity yang sudah kita dengarkan pada video tadi? Nah, kamu lakukan exercise yang sudah saya suruhkan pada kamu di videonya, yaitu mengisi table yang sudah saya sediakan. Yang pertama, conversation-nya. Conversation pada yang pertama, yang kedua, yang ketiga, dan seterusnya. Type of expressions, jenis expressions yang digunakan. And then, the expressions used, ekspresi yang digunakan. Nah, ada 2 contoh sudah saya berikan di situ. Kemudian, tugas keduanya adalah you put the table also, you make a table also. Kamu membuat sebuah table juga, yang mana kategorinya yang diberikan adalah pertanyaan yang menggunakan do, does, atau did. Kemudian, pertanyaan yang menggunakan WH question. Masih ingat pelajaran sebelumnya WH question itu yaitu what, why, when, dan yang seterusnya, ya. kemudian kamu isi pada tabelnya, kemudian kamu hanya menuliskan saja apa pertanyaan yang digunakan di situ. Okay? Well, that's all for the conclusion of our lesson from this video. Video yang keempat ini. Kita nantikan video berikutnya, chapter 2. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. The Rams English Course.